See what you do? These crabs can go into a comatose state just to conserve on oxygen. It's amazing. When one moves, they all move. And when they stop, they just look like petrified statues. Ooh, just had a big knockdown. I had to change the leader and everything. The leader was all chafed up. I don't know what it was. I don't think it was a bonefish. I think it was a jack because about 4 or 5 inches line was mauled up and it ran out to open ocean. Didn't stop. But let's double the treat this time. Let's see what happens. Ooh, what a hit. Nice hit. Nice hit. Okay, I caught some huge sand crabs on the shoreline tonight. So I'm going to be using some crab tonight, see what happens. I buy these rolls in a box and I just simply tie them up and cut them to the size that I need. Okay, I'm going to I found some huge sand crabs. I got 2 of them. So I'm going to use the big sand crabs now. And I got the legs out as teasers in the bait bag. See what happens. Okay, I got my 13.4 IRW with my Ultegra 5500 40-pound Jerry Brown braid. I'm using a bait bag with, okay, I got my Twin Powers 5000 with 40-pound test braid on my 11-foot coastal. See how this one does tonight. The reel just took off screaming and somebody just tore it apart. Okay, I got my IRW with my 5500 Ultegra. Got a 4-ounce bank. I'm going to use my bait bag. I'm going to put some squid in it. See what happens. Not too big, but I got one. Fighting. And it's a real deal. Cool. On a pot, huh? Got something. Looks like it'll be a veal. Yep. It is. It'll be a veal. Small little veal on Landon's Scuba Blues. Little guy going back. Oh, something. Yep. Looks like a red. Yep. Little veil. Hey, little guy. And it's a very little guy, but shows that Chantel's soul flies work pretty good. Look at that. There you go, little one. Go back. Get bigger.